What if I told you that something on your plate right now could be silently damaging your kidneys every single day? I know that sounds dramatic, but I wish someone had told me sooner just how fragile and precious our kidneys really are. Hey, I'm glad you're here, because today I want to talk heart to heart about the foods you might be eating that are quietly sabotaging your health. Your kidneys are your body's natural filters, working 24/7 to remove toxins and balance your fluids. But what we eat can make their job 10 times harder or easier. Let's get right into it. One of the biggest culprits, processed foods. Yep, those chips, instant noodles, and frozen dinners may taste convenient, but they're loaded with salt and chemicals. Too much salt is like poison to your kidneys. It raises your blood pressure and forces your kidneys to work overtime, wearing them out much faster than you'd think. But it's not just the obvious junk food. Did you know that even healthy foods, like deli meats, canned soups, and some breakfast cereals, are secretly packed with sodium? It hurt to realize that the foods I thought were helping me were actually putting my kidneys at risk. Another sneaky danger? Sugar. I know, sweet treats can be hard to resist, but eating too much sugar, especially from sodas and pastries, raises your risk of diabetes, which is the #1 cause of kidney disease. Every sip and bite counts. And don't get me started on energy drinks. These are not your friend. All those artificial additives and caffeine overload are a nightmare for your kidneys. Trust me, the boost isn't worth the damage. So, what can you do to protect your kidneys? First, read your labels. Pay attention to sodium and sugar content. Try replacing processed snacks with fresh fruits, cut veggies, or unsalted nuts. Staying hydrated with pure water is one of the best gifts you can give your kidneys. Look, I know how easy it is to fall into bad food habits. Life gets busy, and we all want quick solutions. But the truth is, your kidneys are quietly fighting for you every day. If you take care of them now, they'll take care of you for a lifetime. So let me hear from you. Did any of these foods surprise you? Are you ready to make a change for your kidneys' sake? Drop your thoughts